Hi students, in this video we are going to see 8th standard mathematics first unit numbers. In numbers, example 1.3 to 1.6. These four sums are very easy, that's why in this video we are continuously seeing 1.3 to 1.6 by your maths teacher Manjunathan from Jayavasi Metric Higher Secondary School, Alangayam. Before we enter the problems, just we go through one definitions. Comparison of rational numbers. Comparison of rational numbers. If two rational numbers are more than two rational numbers are given, how to compare that? That is, we want to say that which is greater, which is less than. So we use that definition. Come, let's see the definition. First condition, comparison of rational numbers. Every positive number is greater than 0. Second condition, every negative number is smaller than 0. Next, third one, every positive number is greater than every negative number. And last one, every number on right of a number of on a number line is greater than the number. That is, in a number line, if you take any number, from the number, all right side of the numbers are greater than that number. Okay, let's see again 4 points. Comparisons of rational numbers. We want to compare two or more than two rational numbers. We follow these rules first. Every positive number is greater than 0. Every negative number is smaller than 0. Every positive number is greater than every negative number. Every number on the right of a number on a number line is greater than the number. That is, every number on the right of a number on a number line is greater than that number. Okay, using this definition, we are going to see sums. First model, type 1, comparing two rational numbers with opposite signs. If we have opposite signs, easily to identify which is greater than, which is less than, because we know that every positive number is greater than the every negative number. See the rule number 3, every positive number is greater than the every negative number. Using this rule, we are doing example 1.3, compare 5 by 17 and minus 10 by 9. Here, which is negative, which is positive. Identify which is negative, which is positive. Yes, 5 by 17 is a positive number, minus 10 by 19 is a negative number. So obviously 5 by 17 is greater than minus 10 by 19, because 5 by 17 is a positive number, minus 10 by 19 is a negative number. So 5 by 17 is greater than minus 10 by 19. It's enough to write this one only. So if you want to write that point, you can write in that bracket after that sum. So next, type 2. In type 2, comparing two rational numbers represented by two fractions with the same denominators. First type, different sign. Second type, same sign but it has same denominator. If we have the numbers with the same denominator, we can easily identify which is greater than, which is less than, because if the denominator is same, then we compare the numerator itself. if the denominator is same, it's enough to compare the numerator. Which is greater than the numerator, it's a bigger number. Which is less than in the numerator, that's a small number. Okay, let's see example 1.4. Compare 1 by 3 and 4 by 3. Here denominator is 3, here also 3. Therefore, the denominators are same. Then compare the numerator 1 and 4. In 1 and 4, 1 is less than 4. 1 is less than 4. So 1 is less than 4, then 1 by 3 is less than 4 by 3. 1 by 3 is less than 4 by 3. This is the second type model sum. It means the denominators are same. P2 this model sums, denominators are same. Okay, next step, third type. Comparing two rational numbers represented by two fractions with different denominators. Second model, same denominator. Third model, different denominator. If we have different denominators, how to do the sum? Let's see. Example 1.5. Compare 3 by 4 and 5 by 6. Here first compare the sign. Sign are same. Both are positive. Next compare the denominator. So denominator are different. So we make it denominator is same with using LCM method. So I want to show that LCM method. So we take 4 and 6. 4 and 6 both divisible by 2. So in 4 2 times, 6 3 times. So 2 and 3 both number not having the same divisor. Therefore the LCM of 4 and 6 equal to 2 into 2 into 3. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. Therefore the LCM is 12. So we make it, the denominator value is 12. So let's see how to make it. Denominator value is 12. First we take 3. So 3 by 4 equal to, the denominator is, we want to make a denominator as a 12. So in 4, which number we multiply by 4 we get 12. Which number we multiply by 4 we get 12. Yes, 3. If you multiply 3 by 4 we get 12. Therefore we multiply numerator and denominator by 3. Then 3 3s are 9, 4 3s are 12. Same 5 by 6. So which number we multiply by 6 we get 12. Yes, by 2. So we multiply by 2 on numerator as well as denominator. Then we get 5 2s are 10, 6 2s are 12. So we make it, the denominator are same. So 9 by 12 and 10 by 12. So now we compare the numerator numbers, which is greater than 9 or 10. So bigger number is 10. Therefore 9 by 12 is less than 10 by 12. That is 3 by 4 is less than 5 by 6. 3 by 4 is less than 5 by 6. So this is a type 3 model sum. In the rational number, same sign, but different denominator. So if we have different denominator, we make it same denominator with using of LCM. We finding LCM 4 and 6 have the LCM 12. 4 and 6 has the LCM 12. So if you want to multiply by 3 on denominator and numerator, we get 9 by 12. And next here we multiply by 2, then 5 to 13, 6 to 12. Then we compare these two numbers, 9 by 12 and 10 by 12. Denominators are same. Next we compare the numerator, 9 and 10. So 10 is a greater number, so 9 is less than 10. So 9 by 12 is less than 10 by 12. Then the original number is 3 by 4 is less than 5 by 6. It's very important. Not this is the answer. If you write this is the answer, you will lose 1 marks. So this is the correct answer. 3 by 4 is less than 5 by 6. Type 4, comparing two rational numbers that are not in standard form. Example 1.6, compare 9 by minus 4 and minus 2 by 3. So in these two rational numbers, which is not in standard form? Yes, 9 by minus 4, because minus should come on the numerator. Second one is correct, but first rational number is not in standard form, so we make it in standard form. So we multiply minus on numerator and denominator, then we get minus 9 by plus 4. So we get now standard form. Next see the two numbers, minus 9 by 4 and minus 2 by 3. The two numbers have the same sign and but different denominator, so we make it denominator as the same with using LCM. So 4 comma 3, LCM of 4 comma 3 is 12, because 4 and 3 not having the same divisor, so we multiply 4 and 3. So first minus 9 by 4, so 4 3s are 12, that's why we multiply 3 on numerator and denominator. Minus 9 into 3 is minus 27, divided by 4 3s are 12. Next minus 2 by 3, so 3 4s are 12, so we multiply 4 on numerator. Minus 2 4s are 8, so minus 2 4s are minus 8 by 3 into 4, 12. So now the denominators are same, 12 12s. Then we compare the numerator, minus 27 and minus 8. So if you have doubt to comparing the negative numbers, we using number line. So in number line, minus 8 is here, and minus 27 here. So as per the definition of comparing the rational numbers, every number on the right of a number on a number line is greater than the number. So right side number is greater than. So here minus 27 is left side, and right side of minus 27 is minus 8. So therefore minus 8 is greater than minus 27. So minus 8 is greater than minus 27 means minus 8 by 12 is greater than minus 27. So therefore minus 8 by 12 original number is minus 2 by 3 is greater than minus 9 by 4, or the given number 9 by minus 4. So minus 2 by 3 is greater than 9 by minus 4. So it will again compare 9 by minus 4 and minus 2 by 3. You make it 9 by minus 4 in standard form. That's why you multiply minus 1 on numerator and denominator, then we get minus 9 by 4. Next it becomes last model sum, that is same sign but different denominator. So minus 9 by 4 and minus 2 by 3. So we find out LCM of 4 and 3. 4 and 3 are having the same divisor, so multiply 4 and 3, we get 12. So 12 is the LCM of 4 and 3. So first 9 by 4, denominator number is 4, so multiply 3 on numerator and denominator, we get minus 27 by 12. and minus 2 by 3, denominator is 3, so multiply 4 on numerator and denominator, we get minus 8 by 12. Now the denominators are same, so we will compare the numerator, minus 27 and minus 8. So in these two numbers, minus 27 is less than minus 8. Therefore, minus 8 by 12 is greater than minus 27 by 12. So therefore, the original number is minus 2 by 3 is greater than 9 by minus 4. That's all.